Hello everyone, this is Pinky Punjabi from Magic of Healing. How are you all doing? Long time since I brought a video actually. I think last I brought for Dakshinavati Shank. I think so, I'm not sure. So now there's a sale going on, December sale. So I had actually last sale itself I had brought in a powder. But this sale I'm bringing in a lot of powders which is called as the conjured powders. So first, what is a conjured powder actually? Now, when we say conjured powder, it means it's a powder which can be used as a multi-purpose powder. For example, you can use it as an incense powder. You can use it in dressing your candles. You can use it in dressing your mojo bags. You can also take a little bit of it and blow it and sprinkle it around your house or your business place and all that. And basically to call on magic. Now, if I want to call on money, then I use the money conjured powder. So it's something like that the conjured powders are used. So conjured powders are more of a magical powder, but a conjured powder is not a simple one, the way we make herbal mixes, because here the conjured powders are made with a minimum of 13 blends, 13 ingredients. So we take a little bit of every herb, and then we grind them, and then we use one or two essential oils, and then we use the corn powder or the arrowroot powder, and then we mix them. This is what is your conjured powders. And I think some of these conjured powders I myself teach in my conjured workshop. And so now, as I said, this time I am launching lot more powders. So let me just tell you all the names and the way it is used. Now, this is a evil begone powder. Now, what does this evil begone powder do? You take a black candle, and then you dress it with maybe a banishing oil. Now, I don't have a banishing oil, no problem. You can just sprinkle this little bit of powder on top of a black on top of a black candle, and then you can burn it. Then what happens is, you will intend, or you will call on the magic, saying that the negativity is going from me, no evil is harming me, nothing is coming in my life. So that's for this evil begone powder. You can also make a black color mojo bag with say with a black tourmaline crystal, and maybe a devil's claw in terms of herbs, and a little bit of this powder, and you can carry it with you. Now you feel there is a person who has come home and the person is not good for you. Then you can also take a little bit of this powder, take it in your palms, and just blow it, saying that whatever evil is coming through this person is going away from my house, from my family, and from my life. So that's evil begone powder. The next powder which I have here is the love enhancement powder, an amazing powder which can be used in love mojo bags. It can be used in your love spells, when you're using love spells for a come to me spell, or a relationship enhancement spell, or attracting a life partner. Even for that it is used. And also in your pillow, if, for example, this is for couples I'm saying, in your pillow you can sprinkle this little bit in both the pillows basically, and for relationship to enhance between the man and the woman, that is the husband and the wife. So that's one way. And what else we can use? Yes, in a mojo bag, say take a pink mojo bag, and if it is you're attracting a soulmate, then you can use 2 rose quartz hearts, and you can add this powder. You can add rose petals, you can add what else we can add? You can add a cinnamon stick, and you can also put in a little geranium, and you can also add lovage. All these you can add, and you can make a quick little mojo bag. You might be wondering in in conjured powders what I'm saying with the mojo bags and all that, because someone in my YouTube following had asked me, can I help them with a simple mojo bag? So that's the reason I am explaining this. And I'm sorry for my pet's noise, because you all know I have 7 pets, so that's the reason. Now okay, now after the love enhancement powder, the next powder that I am going to talk about is the Van Van powder. You all have seen my YouTube link where I have spoken about the Van Van salt. I have taught you all how to make the Van Van salt, and Van Van oil also is one thing which I have taught in one of my I think advanced oils workshop, if I'm not wrong. And so now the Van Van powder brings in luck, brings in success. So sprinkling around your home will bring in success. Sprinkling around your workspace will bring in success, will bring in good luck. In fact, every day you can just take a pinch of this Van Van powder, and you can just rub it in your hands, and then you can just use the Van Van powder. So Van Van powder also is used in that way. Now, coming to the money drawing powder. Now, how does a money drawing powder work? Very simple. I will tell you all. This is basically not even a money drawing powder. It's made of sugar. It's made of sugar granules. How does this work? What you will do is you will take a beautiful golden candle, or you will take a green candle, and you will sprinkle. You will apply honey on it, and you will sprinkle this sugar on top of it, and you will burn it, and you will see sweet success coming in money. Now in mojo bags also, what you can do is you can apply, you can add a pinch of this in your mojo bags, green color mojo bags. And what else you can do? I think the best result what has given me is, as I said, in a golden candle I apply honey and then I use this sugar. So that's this. Now this is a beautiful powder. It's called as a financial luck powder, because many of us feel businesses are there, everything is there, but the luck in finances is not happening. And why it is not happening, we don't know. So for that, this will be a beautiful powder. What you can do is, actually I am launching an amazing expedit kit either today or tomorrow, and I am also bringing in expedit money. So with that, you can use those expedit bills with this powder in a mojo bag or in your money altar, and you will see tremendous money flow happening. You can also, what you can do is take chestnut, CHEST chestnut, take high john, basically take a golden color mojo bag and take chestnut, take high john, and take one cinnamon stick, put a small piece of pyrite in it, and put 5 rupee coin, and in that add this little bit of this powder in that, and you can carry it with you. If you're a business person and if you have a business workspace, what you will do is you will sprinkle this in the entrance, so that you will attract more financial oriented customers. So customers who come will definitely buy your product. So that is this. And okay, this is a name and fame powder. This powder I always apply in my red witch with my power herb. You all know my power herb was a big hit, the hoodoo power herb. In one of my sales I had launched and many people had picked it. So this is a name and fame powder. This is a conjured powder because it's a blend of 13 ingredients. So sorry guys, there was some technical issues in the previous video. I think some of it has got cut, so I'm continuing again with the last two conjure powders which I wanted to speak about. So this is the name and fame powder. Now basically what I used to do is I used to apply this with my witch candle and my power powder. I think last sale the power powder was a very big hit, where to make yourself powerful. And how does this name and fame powder work is it brings in, for example, if I am in tarot reading, then it makes me a more powerful and a well-known tarot reader. So I would like to know that I am the best tarot reader, because if I am the best, then the world should also know me as best. So for those type of things, you can work this with a red witch candle or with a plain red candle. You can also use this, as I've always said, as in the incense cone, or you can use it in water, in your spray bottles. You can add a pinch of this and spray around where you sit for your tarot reading, or if you're a healer, where you sit for your healing, anything for that case. For example, if it is a guy who's selling cloths, he's in cloth business, so he can also use this, that he becomes very popular in his street or in that area as an amazing textile shop. So for that also they can use it. So with red candles you can use this. So the last powder which I'm going to talk today is the fast luck powder. This, I think many of you all know that last time in the fast luck kit I had brought it. It has a beautiful smell. I would say amazing smell, not a beautiful smell. And fast luck powder is basically, now today I'm going out somewhere, I just need some quick luck. I'm worried whether it will happen or not. I'm worried how my day will go. There is a retro going on, for example, then how it will be during retro. So for all those things, you can just take a little bit of it and apply it in your hands like this and say, I am lucky me, like that you can do. And you can also sprinkle around your house for only good things to enter the house. You can also use it in your fast luck mojo bag, which I had put in my last sale, a little bit of that. You can also put it in your camphor and show the smoke around your house or your business place. So these are the conjured powders. So overall, as of now, I have totally brought in 7 conjured powders. So if you are interested in picking them up, then you can WhatsApp me at 917-623-1990 to order these. And if you would like to learn, because some of these are also taken in the conjured course, as I had said. And if you want me to bring in on any other specific conjured powders, you can let me know. I would love to explain about that also. And as usual, do share, subscribe, and click your bell icon so that you will be notified when I bring in new videos in future also. And many of them have been asking to be a part of the broadcast list. There will be a number mentioned during this video to be a part of the broadcast where I update all my products, where I update all my workshops. Even that you can just WhatsApp me and we will add you. So thank you all, and God bless you all. Hope these conjured powders bring magic in your lives the way it has brought magic in many of my students' lives and my life as well. Thank you.